This our governor, he still try small, he not try. He try best. We want to maybe say yes, he better pass, maybe say we still try pass this one. So we need improvement. But the condition of Nigeria is very bad because of who they put now, APC. So because of that man now, we don't need any APC for this our state again. What we need now, we need what do they call them? What do they call this man self? We don't need APC, we don't need PDP, we need Labour. Supposed to try Labour, either for presidential or for governor election. We need Labour. Once you try those ones, the rest for the rest kind of style. Suffer not too much for this Nigeria. Mostly this Benin hardship too much. People don't die well. Tinubu increase price of fuel. Everybody increase price of transport. Rice, I don't know if you buy rice. Nothing. Everybody they suffer. Many people they die out of hunger. So by grace of God, they live. But may God do for us. Most better governor put now as Labour. They will look for better president. We go enter for the next one. So Tinubu not get a day for us. You only fight for your own pocket, for your own selfishness. Now a day for it. Still make everybody die.
APC. Now vote for.
Why you want APC? Why you want APC?
I want because who do better for me? Who do better than I want vote for? But I vote for APC and I'm sure they will win. He will do better for us. For everything to good.
PDP I will support now. Why I want make I support APC before? APC really don't fuck up for everywhere. Now I want make a vote for. I will vote for APC. Now PDP I will vote for. Thank you.
I want support to because all of us are bend on the same fender. Because the two parties, not that we are the party, not that we don't love the party. People inside are the people. People left PDP, they went to APC. So if at time voting, at least we just pray God should bring the next person. Like Labour, I will go for Labour. Yes.
PDP are the support. PDP is my party. I die with PDP. I rest with PDP. Everything I do is PDP. PDP is what I love. Because PDP is one that is giving us joy. In time of good luck, everything was good. But in time of Buhari, Jagaban, now worsted. A liter of oil is 1,200. Now there we do for the country. I've been a surveyor. But bag of rice is 120. Cup of rice, you know if you buy a cup of rice, come up body for Charlie Poppy. You know what you had the try at all. A cup of beans, not be small money. Why the bigger are bigger, why the poor are still dying? We dey die for suffer one day. Because especially they vote for APC. I want to vote for APC when APC will not get peace for the country.
We don't test one. We don't test second one. The one where he never rule us before, may we support that person. Now that person if he do well. Where dey my mind? Like Olumide Akpata, I believe, say if he do well.
I support PDP. I support PDP.
The party, okay, if you come to that point, I cannot deny my dialect. I am a typical Igbo man. You know where I belong to.
I dey support Olumide Akpata for governor. Now the man will go bring development come for Edo State. Now the man will go bring easy life give the people. I never dey with them to just say I don't stay with one-on-one, know the kind of person where you be. But waiting in they do, don't give me that hope and trust for where he dey.
Labour Party. We are tired of PDP and APC. We need a new party. Like I want this state to be like Edo State. That I'm supporting Labour Party. Olumide Akpata and Kadiri as governor of Edo State.
I prefer the PDP. I've always been in PDP from 1999 till date. I supported the Godwin Obaseki administration. I think the PDP is a bigger party and a bigger club of successful businessmen than the APC party. I think Tinubu is too poor to rule Nigeria. The APC camp are too poor to rule Nigeria. It requires a bigger club to elevate poverty. The people are suffering, prices are increasing every day. I think the people should vote for PDP. It's not good to move from fire to from frying pan to fire. If you are in the frying pan, it's bad in the frying pan. Like say you're frying plantain chips, for example, and you're in oil or frying plantain chips. It's not good to move from the oil in the frying pan into the fire itself. The fire is hotter than the oil. Do you understand? So we're already in the quagmire. It's not good to add another APC wahala. The more the APC in the country, the more the problem increases. They lack solutions to Nigerian problem. Tinubu was only propaganda in 2014. He's not intelligent enough to rule. Peterobi Obasanjo did great from 2007 and 2015 of PDP, far better than this misery. Imagine pure water moving from 10 naira to 15 naira. Imagine a bag of rice from about 30,000 naira to 95,000 naira. Astronomical, absolutely outrageous. The price of dollar was about 800 naira, 900 naira last year, January. And now just about 15 months of PDP in government, of APC in government, it has almost more than doubled, about 1,700 naira to $1. Absolutely ridiculous. The 1,000 naira note has no value. You just buy something and it evaporates. Almost like can't even afford lunch.
When election comes on Saturday, I'll go right down and vote for my choice. But I don't want to make sure, I don't want to publicize it yet. God knows who I will vote for inside me. You understand me? It's not by shouting here and there or something so I'm coming. I don't believe in money, you know. I'm going to vote for whosoever my heart, my conscience says I will, with my family and my children.
Who are they support? I got my choice. But it's my choice I want to vote for. I don't vote for money. I dey vote for my choice. Who will help the Edo State? So that the Edo State do okay. Now they fine. Not be the money. What I don't take care of me, take care of my children and my family. So that who will do Edo, to make it do okay. As at least because of garden, everybody know fish, you know, feel buy for market. So who will bring Edo to normal level? So we the massive of they move. Even transport are not easy for people. So I beg, we want the governor who go survive Edo State. Then we define. Not be one who want to put out to the stage of agony. I beg, when I find better governor give us, so that I will vote for my choice. I never get who I want to vote for till that day when I get to feed. So I will know my choice.
Well, I don't really have anyone in mind to support. I don't have, because it's just like all of them. They are saying the same thing, and the one we did last year, I voted, but the election was not, the thing was not counted. So that one had discouraged me. I said, I'm not going to come out of my house that day.
I know which party to support. I know my party. I know my party. Whichever way I want to support, I know I have the best to support. Is it? Any other questions?
Why are you supporting the party you are supporting?
With what is on the ground, with what is happening, I should know the party to support this time. Nigeria has been deceived a lot. So we are no more kids. We know where we are going.